Hello children, hoping that you all are fine and well. In previous videos of computer, you came to know about input devices, output devices and processing devices. Now be ready to learn about the last topic of this chapter, that is storage devices. Now understand first what are storage devices. Like our brain, a computer stores data temporarily or permanently using short-term or long-term memory. The devices which help us in storing data are called storage devices. We can also retrieve the data from these devices whenever needed. Now understand what are bits and bytes. A computer can understand only two states, on and off. On is represented by 1 and off is represented by 0. The two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. The data stored in computer memory in the form of bits and measured in bytes. So on equals to 1 and off equals to 0. Now understand the various sizes of memory. 8 bits equals to 1 byte. 1024 bytes equals to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte equals to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte equals to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte equals to 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte equals to 1 petabyte. 1024 petabytes equals to 1 exabyte, 1024 exabyte equals to 1 zettabyte and 1024 zettabyte equals to 1 yottabyte. Now understand what is a memory of a computer. The memory capacity determines how much data and instruction can be stored in the computer, either temporarily or permanently. Memory of a computer is divided into two parts, internal memory, which is also called primary memory, and the other one is external memory, which is also called secondary memory. The primary memory is again divided into two parts, that is RAM and ROM, and external memory is divided into four parts, which are hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, flash drive and pen drive, and the last one is memory card. Now understand these memories one by one. The first one, internal memory. It is also called primary memory or main memory. The data stored in internal memory is erased when computer is turned off. So internal memory is divided into RAM and ROM. RAM, whose full form is random access memory, stores information temporarily and works like a blackboard that can be constantly overwritten with new ideas. And ROM, whose full form is read-only memory, and it stores the startup instruction that prepare a computer to use. External memory. It is also called secondary memory, and it is used to store information for long period of time. The various parts of external memories are: first one, hard disk. It is the main storage component and is fixed inside the CPU box. It can store up to 16 TB of data. Second, CD or compact disc. It is an optical storage device. It can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. Third, DVD, digital versatile disc. It is also called digital video disc. It can store 4.7 GB to 17 GB of data. Fourth one, Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc format that can store up to 128 GB of data. Fifth one, flash drive. It is also known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device. It can store up to 4 TB of data. And the sixth and last one is memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobile phones, digital cameras, music player, etc. Okay children, now time to test yourself. So part A, filling the blanks. First question, a flash drive is popularly known as dash, hard drive or pen drive. Second, the information in a computer is stored in the form of dash digits, binary or decimal. Third, RAM stores the information dash, temporary or permanently. B part, write the full form of the followings: RAM, second DVD, third CD, fourth ROM.